Hello there. Guess what I have managed to get my hands on? It's only Marmite peanut butter. Look at it. This could be a bigger debate than Brexit. So how did I get my hands on this? Basically, you can go on ocado.com and get it there. It is coming out nationwide on the 7th of April. So watch out for it if you want to get your hands on it. We're going to be taste testing this today. But first, a little bit about Marmite. So Marmite is a yeast extract, and the yeast extract was discovered, believe it or not, by German scientist Justin von Liebig in the 19th century. However, it wasn't until 1902 that the Brits created their own factory in Burton-on-Trent called the Marmite Food Extract Company. Since then, it has become a phenomena that is around the globe. In fact, the Australians have their own version called Vegemite, and the debate about whether Vegemite or Marmite is better is yet another debate altogether. So, let's unbox this before we have a taste. So as you can see, this is a jar. It's a nice firm glass jar with the yellow top, which Marmite is famous for in its branding. So we're going to open it. Ooh, that's quite satisfying. And then very carefully, so we've got this, got to peel this off. I'm really going to struggle with this. Okay, sorry about that, a little bit tough to take off there. Anyway, as you can see inside the jar, yeah, I mean it looks a bit like just regular peanut butter, but it's got a slightly darker tone to it, almost a bit caramel-like. So I'm quite looking forward to trying this. Let's dive in. So to really taste the purity of this peanut butter Marmite, I'm going to spread it on plain white toast. So one thing about this peanut butter Marmite is when you spread it on, it's quite viscous. However, it is a crunchy peanut butter. So you get those little bits or nice big chunks of peanut. So if you're more of a smooth peanut butter fan, you may not quite like this. So as you can see, I'm trying out the Marmite peanut butter 3 ways. First of all, pure, by itself, on plain white toasted bread. Next, I'm trying it with jelly, so a PB&J style slice of toast. And my next piece will be with banana, peanut butter Marmite banana. So let's test this out. So I'm going to try the plain, as you can see, my beautiful creation. It's almost like a smorgasbord of peanut butter Marmite toast. First of all, I'm going to try the plain one first. Wow, that's actually quite nice. So, it's quite peanut buttery. The Marmite is surprisingly subtle, but it's definitely there. Sorry, hard to talk with your mouth full. It's almost like peanut butter, and it's got that little kick of Marmite that comes through. And it almost kind of goes well together, like an umami flavour. I know that umami term is used over and over, but it really does. It's kind of got that salty nuttiness, and it almost reminds me a little bit of Asian cuisine, where we use like sesame sauce with soya sauce. It's that kind of combo, like nutty and salty and a tiny bit umami flavour. So yeah, this is actually really nice. I can actually imagine it being used for cooking, not just on toast. I can imagine the possibilities. Even like if you're Chinese, you know what this is, like tong yun, which is this like ball-like dessert that we do have a peanut lava filling. I can imagine this totally going inside and tasting really good. I'm loving it. I'm definitely a lover all over again. I love peanut butter, I love Marmite. This is such a good combination. Yeah, it's definitely great. So I was definitely impressed with that. Let's try it with the, let's go for the peanut butter jelly, the PBJ. This could be my fault.
I don't think I put quite enough jam. The saltiness is definitely overwhelming the sweetness of the jam, the jelly. But it's definitely still a great combo. I'm still loving it. Next time I will add a little bit more jam, but I really think it goes well together. This has the sweet and the salty. It's got a lot of complex flavours going on. It's got that nutty taste and the saltiness and then the sweetness after that. These three go really well together. Definitely make sure, if you're doing the PBJ version with the peanut butter Marmite, that you put a little bit more jam, because that saltiness from the Marmite is a little bit overwhelming on this, so you need a bit of extra jam if you're going to try this. And finally, let's not forget about our final peanut butter Marmite with banana. In this case, the banana is definitely coming through on this, and it's a slightly better balance between the sweetness and the saltiness. In fact, I'd say the banana is even slightly more overwhelming than the jelly in this case, than the jelly was. And it's slightly more overwhelming over that saltiness. So the saltiness, you sort of taste the peanut butter and the saltiness doesn't last for that long, and then suddenly you're getting this banana burst through. So yeah, definitely another interesting great combo. Would you take the taste challenge with the peanut butter Marmite? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And what other combinations do you think this would go with? I mean, I had other suggestions such as yogurt, honey, Nutella, but what do you guys think? What would this go with? And would you use it for cooking anything else? Like, would it go in a stir fry? Would it go with, I don't know, hot pot, noodles? What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and press the notifications button below. And also make sure to check me out on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, also /HappyNoodleTV. And yes, I look forward to seeing you again. Once again, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye!